Katy Perry's real estate journey has been far from smooth sailing, entangling her in various legal disputes with elderly homeowners in California. These conflicts have even given rise to a proposed legislation known as the Katy Perry Act, which isn't exactly a positive claim to fame. Below, we delve into what we know about this potential law. What is the Katy Perry Act? The Katy Perry Act, also known as the Perry Act, deals with the risks associated with elder financial abuse, particularly in property and real estate transactions. According to a website created by its supporters, the Act establishes a 72-hour cool-down period, during which either party involved in a contract for the sale of a personal residence, where one party is over the age of 75, can cancel the agreement without incurring any penalties. While the name clearly references the singer, Perry also stands for the Protecting Elder Realty for Retirement Years Act. Although the Perry Act hasn't undergone legislative processes yet and is supported by those opposing Perry in her ongoing real estate legal battle, it has garnered bipartisan support. Legislators endorsing it hail from various states, with a majority from New Mexico and Texas, and others from Arkansas, California, Kansas, Missouri, Montana, Nevada, New York, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, and Wyoming. How did Katy Perry inspire the act? Katy Perry's involvement in numerous legal disputes has served as inspiration for the proposed legislation. The act's website highlights instances of predatory acquisition, unfair dealings, or elder financial fraud. One of the most recent high-profile cases involves 84-year-old Carl Westcott, who filed a lawsuit to prevent the sale of his Santa Barbara, California, residence to Perry and her fiancé Orlando Bloom. Court documents indicate that Westcott alleges he lacked the mental capacity to comprehend the contract's nature and likely consequences. Westcott, who was diagnosed with Huntington's disease in 2015, purchased the property in May 2020 with the intent to live there for the rest of his life. Shortly afterward, he received a contract proposal to sell his home to Perry and Bloom, dated July 14, 2020, for $15 million. At the time of signing, the lawsuit contends that Westcott was suffering from post-surgery delirium, pain from a recent back surgery on July 10th, dementia and/or diminished mental cognitive functions due to Huntington's disease, and was under the influence of prescribed painkillers. Carl Westcott, known as the founder of 1-800-Flowers, is also the father of Cameron Westcott, a former star of The Real Housewives of Dallas. In addition to the ongoing Westcott dispute, Perry faced another legal challenge with elderly property owners a few years earlier, when a group of nuns attempted to prevent her from purchasing their California estate, which they intended to sell to another buyer. Perry had expressed interest in the property as early as 2013. While she gained the right to acquire the convent in 2017, she needed to find a new occupant for the house of prayer on the property before finalizing the purchase. Perry was unable to secure one, and her option to buy the property expired in 2019. This legal battle is also marked by a tragic event. During the 2018 trial, one of the nuns collapsed and died in court. Why is the act being proposed? In addition to Katy Perry's real estate controversies, the Act's website cites other contested real estate transactions involving elderly individuals, such as cases where seniors sold their homes to the We Buy Houses franchise at prices below market value.